this year's Pasigarbo 2024. I just want to take a moment to reflect on the incredible energy, spirit, and camaraderie we've witnessed. And also, I would like to take this opportunity as well to thank our top management headed by our very dynamic college president, Ms. Ma'am Joy Capistrano, and also to our vice presidents and Ma'am Junice Diniay. Thank you so much, Ma'am, for the support. Sir Ferdinand Dumalagan and also Sir Carlito Esteba. And thank you so much also to all the students, RSO members, officers, and to my fellow Supreme Student Government officers. Thank you so much for initiating and cooperating for this event to be successful. Once again, I just want to say, enjoy the rest of the night and God bless us all. Party, party!
Thank you so much, Vice President Angelica, for the closing remarks. So, karon, kumalanda sa ito ang first part. We will now be moving on to our second part, which is our acquaintance party. So, karon na atay disco ginakbay sa mga interesado kung hindi mo muadto din sa center. Akong ibalik sa SSG ang bakito.
Requesting all students na tabangan na ito pakilig ang mga bangko at kaning table po kay para magamit na ito ang karing diri sa center.